This is FUTU Holdings. This is MooMoo, a very well-made trading platform. Link is below, do trade using my referral link. I'm gonna do an analysis on it and find out its valuation in my standards. Before that, I had a shocking night seeing some comments which is completely opposite of my trading rules. First, someone challenged me on valuation of a company, comparing my valuation against the financial institutions. Thank you, I'm flattered. He shouldn't have watched my video if he wants the exact same valuation. I mentioned the stock is worthless to me because of a very simple reason. Today, I run a company, I lose 10 million. But I tell the whole world, my company is a growth company, it is going to disrupt how the world functions. Few years down the road, I lose even more money annually. This means one thing. Every day, I open for business operation, I lose money. So am I wrong to think that this company is worthless to me? Example 2. Tesla, as mentioned in my other video, was only trading at $5 and increased 8-fold the moment its operating cash flow improved. So I'm just advising people to do their own due diligence and not buy a stock because it crashed 275% from its high. There is probably an underlying reason. Next, someone mentioned FUTU PE is 40. Anything more than 15 is overpriced. I think he never really kept a lookout and see why companies are less than 15 PE. It's probably because people deem most of these companies as companies that won't grow fast enough. PE is not a good gauge. In fact, it's a terrible gauge to see how much a company is worth. Now to FUTU. We can see its operating cash flow, cash equivalent, the profit are growing exponentially. So like you and me, we are FUTU's customers, or probably will be, and they are throwing in big money to capture the market share, and they are doing a damn fine job at that. You can look up their paying customers growth in the upcoming 6 months probably, and after plugging in the numbers, I will show you 3 scenarios. Value calculator again for FUTU, and these are the numbers gotten from the latest annual reports from FUTU official website. This is the cash flow growth rate. I put it at 100%. It's actually an understatement. They have been growing much more than this, but we will just annualize it over 3 years, and then the 4th to 5th year at 50%, and then the 6 to 10 years, provided they recapture a lot of the market share, then probably will grow at a 20% per year. This is the number of outstanding shares currently, and then after the 10 years cash flow PV, the present value at 6% discount, this is a 1667 HKD, Hong Kong dollars, and then I use the latest conversion rate. This is 214 USD. Now this is the first scenario, and supposedly it grows at the intended growth rate. Okay, I put in this. Okay, it'll be $418. That is a really high number, about 120%, 286. Actually, we could be safe in saying that right now $200 is quite good. But supposedly we go through a year of bear market and everybody stopped buying, and then this grows to just 50%. Then yes, the value of this will not be so much, probably at about $90+. This is based on safety net, a very, very high safety net. Okay, so this is FUTU share, the chart. Okay, so I'll just do some technical analysis for short term, so to show you where will probably be the points to go in, logical points to go in. Okay, I'll do this the big picture. Okay, so this is from the start in the US charting. I would think that the first point, once it breaks, is there a possibility that it will break? Okay, let's say it take a few days. Okay, this is $70+. So is there a possibility that you'll break $70+? Yes, there is a high possibility. Actually, if you ask me if it's a good point to go in now, yes, probably so. Because why? There you go. Okay, this is one of the critical point to hold. Supposedly this breaks, right? Okay, the next point will be probably here. So is this a good entry point? Yes. Could it go below? Yes, it could go below also. If it goes below here, there should be a violent rebound. Okay, if it goes below this, it will be super undervalued and it's a good buy. Okay, definitely just buy and hold. What will be the next possible entry point? We do a Fibonacci from here all the way to this point. Okay, you can see it lands on some of the more critical points here. Okay, here, over here. Okay, the major resistance. So right now it's slightly below 61.8%. I think it's hovering around 61.8. It's trying to, you see over here, they try to push up through the 61.8 and it got slapped back down. Oh my god, this is like terrible. Okay, let's draw one more trend line. Very subtle downtrend line. Okay, yeah, so we're probably around here. So it might see, okay, you can see here it coincides with this uptrend, long-term uptrend line. Yes, so we'll take it that there's a very high possibility it will go somewhere around here, and then this will be probably the best entry point in my opinion. You need to do your own due diligence. Okay, then let's go to view. Okay, you can see there is one hole here. There's a gap here. So when it goes a rebound, right? Okay, this one probably is a small gap. So the first TP probably will be about 130 something before it goes to 150, 60s. Okay, there's a lot of studies I didn't use, like Bollinger Bands, etc., the MAs and stuff. I will share with you. I will make a completely full video on a series of videos on fundamental analysis, so that you can better understand what I'm trying to say when I try to show you the charts and drawing the lines. Okay, all right, so do subscribe and see you around.